Welcome to the TimeValue Software training video series.
Our topic today is the estimated tax penalty using TaxInterest software. Calculation guidelines. The estimated tax penalty basis is 100% of the prior year or 90% of the current year, whichever is lower, and there are exceptions for seasonality and other items. And what we're going to do is create 4 tax events on the deposit due dates, and then we're going to calculate the interest through the tax due dates. So the estimated tax penalty is actually an interest calculation. So here's our assumptions. We have a net tax due of $40,000. So our quarterly deposit would be $10,000. We'll do this for 2022, and we're going to calculate the interest through 4/15/23. Let's jump into tax interest. First of all, we want to change the table. We have federal. We want to use either the 2210 or the 2220. The 2210 is for individuals. 2220 is for corporations. Both these tables use the same interest rate as the federal. The federal uses daily compounding. Both these tables are simple interest. Let's go ahead and open 2210.
And we're going to put in 4 tax events on the tax deposit due dates.
So we said 2022, so we're going to put in 4/15/22, and it'll be $10,000. We can put 10K. Then you can hit T for tax or hit the drop down and put 6/15/22, 10,000. And third deposit would be due on 9/15/22, 10,000. And fourth would be tax on 01/1/15/23 for $10,000. And now we're going to compute through the tax due date. So we're going to calculate through 04/15/23, recompute, and our estimated tax penalty is actually the interest calculation for 1602.74. By the way, the estimated tax penalty is interest-bearing from the assessment date. So if you're doing a calculation as of 4/15 going forward, and you have an estimated tax penalty, you'd use an entered penalty. And if it was not interest-bearing, you put it on the compute date. And if it was interest-bearing, you put it on the date it gets assessed. So very simple calculation to do. Basically, 4 tax events on the deposit due dates, calculate the interest through the tax due date, and your interest amount is your estimated tax penalty. If you ever need any help, feel free to give us a call at 800-426-4741, or you can email us at info@timevalue.com. Thanks for listening.